I'm going to install Kali Linux on my Oracle VirtualBox. That's why I'm opening Oracle VirtualBox on my computer. Now I need to click new and give a name Kali, and the folder where I should put the storage. So I've selected. I'm selecting custom folders, and you see Oracle VM with the name. And I also already download the Kali Linux, so I'm selecting where it is, then click next. And now here I am selecting my base memory. So I have 12 GB memory, so I'm selecting 4, and the processor I'm using 4, so click next. And the storage of the disk I use 30 GB, so after 30 GB then click next, then finish. So that's it, I think. Now I need to start this newly created VM. It is loaded. I will go for graphical install. It's a very simple. So select English or whatever you like and click continue. And during this installation, whenever it takes time, I will move fast forward, so don't worry. So now I am closing this and click continue, and country, select your country, then language, and the keyboard, then click continue. As you can see, it's moving fast forward. So where it requires any manual information to enter, then there I will be clicking or selecting that instructions for continuing to the next. Here I put the host name Kali and click continue. The domain I keep empty, and the username also Kali username, and I am giving a password. You should have to put a password. And I'm selecting the region for the clock or timing. Now it will come the partition. So the partition, whatever it is suggesting from the Kali Linux, I follow that only. As a beginner, I don't need to make it complex. So whatever you see on the screen, you just follow and do. If anything different, you can ask me. Like here you see, just read and select whatever I have shown here. And if anything goes wrong, like you don't understand, it's not similar to the screen whatever I am seeing here, then please, my request to ask me on the comment box. I promise I'll definitely reply you. I definitely try to help you, whether it is any kind of like email on reply on the comment box, or anything, any media you prefer. So now it's waiting time. Here I am selecting the basic one. You see the basic one, because I can do it later. And now it is installing the software, all the packages. Kali Linux is very good for ethical hacking, learning, practicing. So I am also learning ethical hacking. Basically the Linux, I love Linux. It's really amazing. So whoever is starting as a beginner learning computer, I prefer to learn Linux. So it will open your eyes, believe me. So select and install software. I think it's almost done. Oh, now it is installing the grab bootloader. Grab bootloader is the main main thing which load the computer, which start the computer. So it is now here. I'm also installing the grab bootloader. It says I'm installing Linux in in a virtual environment. That's why it is asking where will be my grab bootloader will install. So as you see, I've selected the uh, virtual disk only, not the entire hard drive. If you think anything you don't understand, pause the video and then you can see. The installation takes little bit like 15 to 20 minutes, but I make it within 10. Click continue to finish and reboot the VM virtual machine. Now it is finishing the installation. I think it's finished, it's done. And it's now after installation finishing, I'm loading into my install Kali Linux, new install Kali Linux. And now I'll show you how everything works, and even the internet also works. I don't need to do anything. You don't need to do anything with the internet. You don't need to touch anywhere. Just it's loading. After that, I will open. I'll put my user credentials and then it's login. Then I'll open Mozilla Firefox to show you that internet also works. You see, there is nothing hidden. So it's very simple. So I think it will help me later on for like we are trained to forget everything. So I'm recording this video for myself only. So I believe if it is help someone else, I will be very happy. It's loading. Yeah, taking too much time. Yes, now I'm clicking Mozilla Firefox, opening Mozilla Firefox. Let's take a time. Yeah, it's opened. Now search for Google or DuckDuckGo. I think DuckDuckGo. Yeah, it's working. You see, everything is working. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.